Discover the delights of campfire s'mores. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a delightful and cozy topic: campfire s'mores. These sweet treats are not just about food, they're a cultural experience, especially popular in the United States and Canada. So, get ready to enhance your English vocabulary and learn about a delicious tradition. S'mores are a traditional nighttime campfire treat that have captured hearts with their simple, yet delicious combination of ingredients. The classic s'more is made up of 3 key components: a piece of chocolate and a marshmallow sandwiched between 2 graham crackers. The marshmallow is typically roasted over the campfire until it's gooey and warm, creating a melt-in-your-mouth experience when combined with the chocolate and crackers. The term s'mores is actually a contraction of the phrase, some more, which is quite fitting because people often can't resist having more than one. It's believed that the name became popular because everyone who tasted this treat would immediately ask for some more. This phrase is a great example of how language evolves and adapts in a cultural context. 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate bars. 2. Roasting the marshmallow. Stick your marshmallow on a skewer and hold it above the campfire. Roast it until it's golden brown. Be careful not to let it catch fire. 3. Assembling the s'more. Place a piece of chocolate on a graham cracker. Then, add the hot marshmallow, allowing the heat to melt the chocolate slightly. Top it with another graham cracker. 4. Enjoy. Press down gently and take a bite. Enjoy the gooey, crunchy, and chocolatey goodness. When learning a language, understanding cultural references and idioms can be just as important as grammar and vocabulary. S'mores are more than just a treat. They represent a cultural practice of gathering around a fire, sharing stories, and creating memories. So, by learning about s'mores, you're not just expanding your English vocabulary, you're also gaining insight into a cultural tradition. Thank you for joining today's sweet adventure into the world of campfire s'mores. We hope you not only learned new English phrases but also felt the warmth of this delightful tradition. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about connecting with cultures and experiences. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and maybe try making some s'mores of your own.